大家好，欢迎来到邵老师的中文课。今天我们说第13课对话1。好，我们复习一下几个动词的 verb：listening 听 ，speaking 说 ，reading 读 ，writing 写。听说读写。生词3，听 and 说。听，这里有一个人，听什么什么人说，听朋友说。So 我听 I listen， 朋友说 The friend said， 我听朋友说。So 听说，听 I heard somebody said， So that's to be told or to hear of。我听老师说 So I heard teacher say or I heard something from teacher. 我听妈妈说 I heard something from mom. 我听医生说 I heard something from the doctor or the doctor told me. 我听别人说别人 other people. So I heard from other people. 我听别人说。So 听说 is I heard， 我听说那个饭馆 or 那家饭馆 that restaurant 的红烧牛肉很好吃。I heard that restaurant's the beef stew, the soy sauce beef stew is very good. It's very delicious. 我听说中文课很有意思。I heard 中文课 Chinese class is very interesting. 我听说王鹏滑冰滑得很好。I heard 王鹏skating is skating pretty good. It's very good at skating. 语法4，到 a place to do something. Okay, so 我们来看一下这个 pattern. Somebody, the preposition go to or arrive to at a place to do something. So it's the verb 去 physically change the location and to do something. 我到电脑中心去上网。So I went to the computer center, the lab, to get online or use internet. 他到朋友的宿舍去聊天。He went to or physically went to the friend's dormitory to 去聊天 to go there for an action to chat. So those are all the example. So 我们看课本4，到 a place to do something, an action. So in this structure, the combination of 到 and the place, then 去 and the action denotes the purpose of going somewhere. So it's a specify a place and the purpose or the action to happen that happen in that location. 我要到电脑中心去上网。I want to go to the computer center to use the internet. 他到朋友的宿舍去聊天了。He went to the friend's dormitory to chat. 我们到飞机场去送李小姐。We went to the airport to see Miss Lee off, or we give a ride, or we 去送李小姐 basically is watch somebody leave and take an airplane, take off to somewhere else. So there's a 3 different way to ask where you going. 第一个，你要到哪儿去？你要到哪去 Where are you going? Physically, you're going to go to some location. 你要到哪儿去？ Or 你要去什么地方？ The location, the place that you want to go. So where, what place that you want to go. There's another very informal way to ask 你要上哪儿去？你要上哪儿去？上哪儿去 become the common oral language for asking people where you heading. 上哪儿去？好，我们再看一次。Look at this one more time. The pattern: subject 人，到地方 arrive to a location 去活动 to do an activity, or so the VO action or action right here. 我运动场打球 so I sports field and play balls. 我到运动场去打球 I went to or I go to sports field to play ball. 我到学生餐厅去吃饭 I go to the student cafeteria to eat. 我到书店去买书 I go to the bookstore to buy book. So who, you can use the pattern to ask about who, to go somewhere to do what. So 谁 and 哪儿做什么 can all be your questions. So 上哪儿去？我到电脑中心去上网。I go to computer center to use internet. 上哪儿去？我回宿舍睡觉。Where you heading? I go back to dormitory to sleep. 上哪去？我到学生活动中心去找朋友。So I'm going to the student activity center to look for my friends. 上哪去？我到运动场去打球。I'm going to the sports field to play ball. 上哪去？我到学生餐厅去吃饭。I'm going to student cafeteria to eat. 上哪去？我到书店去买书。I go to the bookstore to buy book. So 有的学生问老师，老师 why can't we just say 我去书店买书？ That is fine. You can say 我去书店买书 and omit the 到. So it just I go to the bookstore buy book. Now, if you say 我去书店到买书 you switch 到 and 去 the position of these two words and that will be wrong. You can say 我去书店买书 without another word here, but you cannot use 到 because 到 means arrive. You have to use the 到 with a location. So 到书店 means arrive to the bookstore or arrive to different kind of places. Then 去, you can add the location and you can also use with the action word. So 去 is more flexible here than the 到. 到 it only can use to go to a place. So 你要去哪里？或你要去哪儿？ Where are you going? 你要去什么地方？ What place are you going? 你要上哪去？ Where are you heading? 我上哪去？ Where are you heading? 我要 sometimes we will say 要 right here means going 到 a place to arrive to that place or physically move to that place 去 and do something, the VO action word. So that's the pattern. Somebody could add different verb here. Would like to, think about to, or plan it to, arrive to a place or go to a place to do something。好，我们等一下在上课的时候可以来练习说话。你喜欢到哪儿去跳舞？你周末晚上常常到哪儿去吃饭？你喜欢到哪儿去看电影？你常常到哪儿去买衣服？ So there's other preposition you can use for showing the location change with the action. So except the 到 we learn, and you can say 来，你来宿舍找我。So you come to the dormitory and to look for me, meet with me. 你来宿舍找我。So 来 could be another word we put in this place that go with place or location before the action. 来 means to come. So physically you come to, so you move to the dormitory. 我去公园 I go to the park 去滑冰. So right here, since we already used the 去 the first time, then right here we will omit the 去 again. So we only need one. 我去公园滑冰 I go to the park ice skating. 他到图书馆去上网 He went to library to get online. 小王回家吃饭。小王回家回 is return. So 小王 return home means go back to his home. 吃饭 to eat. 常老师在学校打球。常老师 is at the school playing ball. So 在 is the preposition is at a place, but 在 does not have the sense of the movement like 来 and 去 and 回. Even 到来去到回 also all of them have the image of you're moving physically from one place to another place and to do something.